Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a skincare unboxing. So I know that in my previous video I did a skincare unboxing which you can watch. I'll have a link to it down below in my description and up above on the screen somewhere. Today's skincare unboxing is with a new brand, but a brand that you have seen on this channel before. Drum roll please. Yes, today's skincare unboxing is going to be featuring Elemis. If you've watched any of my previous videos, then you know that for the last couple of months I've been using their dynamic resurfacing day cream. I think that's what it's called. I've really enjoyed using it. I first got that as part of my Cosmetips October beauty box that Patricia Bright put together. Absolutely fell in love with the cream and it's nearly finished, so I figured, you know, let me just rebuy it. Unbeknownst to me, this cream is crazy expensive. In my last video I showed you all of the stuff that I bought from Fresh that, you know, was quite expensive. This this cream is more expensive, so we're continuing on with the like over the top expensive skincare thing. Honestly, I really do love this cream. I feel like it's worth it. It's like I love it so much, but I feel like I love this face cream so much. It is a bit pricey, so I'm not sure if I can really justify buying it on the regular, but I figured let me just buy it this one time. Also, Elemis had a great offer on, so if you spent over X amount then you got a free gift that was worth like £80 or something, plus you also got like another freebie. So I figured, you know what, for the free gifts, let me splurge this once, and then maybe in the next couple of months I will find another day cream that I can use, because, you know, this year we want to try not to spend so much money on skincare, which is hard because obviously I love skincare and luxury skincare is really good. So yeah, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you what I bought, the free gifts that I got, and without further ado let's just get straight into the video. I've got my box. We are going to unbox. Ooh, wow. Okay, so I've just opened up the box. We can see, oh my god, what is this? Soothing glow. Oh wow, oh my god, look at this. I was not expecting this. Defined by nature, led by science. Beautiful skin cells here. Oh, wow. You know, Elemis are not playing, and I really feel like, oh, thank you for choosing Elemis, the #1 luxury British skincare brand with your skin, your body and wellness at its heart. Listen, they're not playing around. No ma'am. I've opened up the wrong package first, but you know, we're gonna go with it. We're gonna work with it. I don't know what this is. This is a soothing glow kit. It came in a really cute wash bag. Oh my god, I'm gonna have so many wash bags by the end of this year. You know, I got a wash bag from Fresh, I have another wash bag from Fresh, and now I've got this. I'm just like, oh my god, this is so cute. I need to upgrade my my wash bag. Oh my god. And it feels so good. Like, I really hate canvas. This is random and kind of ironic considering that I wear Supergirls, but anyway, I really cannot stand canvas. I hate canvas so much. I just don't like how it feels under my fingers. But this is not canvas. This is like, I don't even know what fabric this is, but oh, it's so nice. It's kind of like rough. It's so cute. It says like Elemis along the bottom. It's white. It's the perfect size. It says Elemis on the zip. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. I'm such a sucker. I love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, so what is in here? Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, so I've just opened up the bag. In here we have the Elemis Gentle Rose Exfoliator. We also have the Pro-Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. We also have the Pro-Collagen Rose Facial Oil, the Cellular Recovery Skin Bliss Capsules, and the Pro-Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. Oh my god, I've heard so much stuff about this balm, but I've always been like, I can't cheat on my fresh skin nutrition cleansing oil. But oh my god, wow. Okay, so this was the free gift. So the free gift was miniature versions of the rose collection. So we have the rose cleansing balm, a rose oil, face cream, night cream, and some capsules. I am very excited about trying this. I feel like this is a great way for me to try a lot of the Elemis products. So even though Elemis is quite expensive, I think just being able to try the other products to see what they have to offer will be really great, because they do also have some more affordable products on their website, which I can try. Oh my god, I feel bad like I'm cheating on fresh or something, I don't know, but I'm very looking forward to this. Also, you know, Elemis is billed as luxury skincare, so it is expensive, a lot more expensive than fresh, although fresh does have some expensive products, so definitely more pricey. This year one of my main goals is to really sort out my face, so anything, I will be trying everything and anything regardless of price. Also, you will be seeing all of these products on the blog, on my channel, because there's a lot of stuff here. And obviously if you guys want to try Elemis but you're not really sure about, you know, you don't want to spend too much money, or don't know how like products work, then let me be your guinea pig. I will try it all, let you know my thoughts on it, so that you know whether or not you want to splash the cash. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the actual main thing that I had ordered first. Got my box. I also love that these boxes have, like, you don't need scissors to open them, whereas normally you would need the scissors to like tear the tape, but this just has like a strip on the side that you just like pull off, which I really appreciate. Okay, so here we go. Wow. Okay guys, I just actually remembered that I did select gift packaging. So this is not how your Elemis stuff will always come if you do order from Elemis, but it just really shocked me. I'm like, wow, okay. This makes me think that in the future, if I do want to buy a present for somebody from Elemis, that this is how I will send it to them. So what did I get? If I can open the box, what did I get? Okay, let me just whack this off. Oh wow, this box is hard to open though. Okay, this is hard. Like, how do you even open this? Okay, finally. So I finally got the lid off. Almost swore, but I didn't. I'm learning. This is what it looks like inside. Next time I order from Elemis, I would just get the regular wrapping. This was just first time bougie in that. So I've got my paper. Just gonna take this off. Nice. I bought the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Day Cream. It even came with a scoop. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I got this as part of my October Cosmetips / Patricia Bright beauty box. I love this face cream so much. My face literally just feels so much smoother. It works so well with my face serums from Fresh. It's got SPF 30 in it. It's lightweight, but it's thick, it's hydrating. It just feels very like, it feels so nice, so soft. It makes my face feel like cushiony, almost like a cashmere, like velvet kind of, but not dry. Because it's the last product that I put on my face before I do my makeup in the morning, it really offers me a very like smooth, flat, what is the word, like it just offers me a very great base, so my makeup goes on top really well. Even when I have spots, it still makes my face feel very smooth and like silky and just ugh, like I just want to touch my face. I like the smell. It's not overpowering, it's kind of lightweight. I really do like it. And yeah, so I bought this again. This was, I'm almost embarrassed to say how much this face cream was. When I told my sister, she was like, wow. This cream, I'm embarrassed, but I feel like when you go online and you see how much it is, then you will see how much it is. So let me just tell you. So this cream is 87 pounds, like 87 big ones. And I'm thinking to myself, wow, Alice, is this where we are? Complete side note, I know that this is extremely, almost stupidly expensive. And when I look back on myself, like 2-3 years ago, even if I was to look back on my life last year, I would never in ever in a million years think that I would spend 87 pounds on one product, and that one product would be face cream. Like, am I mad? Am I actually mad? But yes, I am mad. Skincare has made me mad, but you know what? I love it. It's really great. I love how my skin feels using this, and if I did not like it, I feel like I would not have bought it again, because 87 pounds is nearly 100 pounds, and that is a lot of money to not be putting into your savings account. Thank you for coming to my TED talk. But yeah, so that's this cream. It is very expensive, not even going to lie about that, but I do like it. And obviously, like I've said, Elemis have a lot of other products on their website. Not everything is 87 big ones. If Elemis seems a bit too expensive, you can check out Fresh, because Fresh has lots of affordable things on their website also. And then the last thing I got was the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. This came as a free gift because, no, this came as a sample. So Elemis lets you choose from like 5 products, and you can choose one as a sample to get. So that's what I got. I really liked it because it was a peel, and I feel like my skin, you can see my skin is doing a lot. It's been doing a lot. I want it to stop doing a lot, you know. And I read in the past that papaya is really good for like dark spots and things like that. So I figured, let me try this peel. If I like it, then I'll buy it again. If I don't like it, no harm, no foul. But I'm also looking at some of the other things that I have here, like a gentle rose exfoliator, some other things. So I'm pretty sure that the combination of this should help my face to like do a bit less, you know. I also am not yet done with my Elemis shopping. This is almost like a sneak peek. You'll see this in a future video. I also want to get, so Elemis also have these pads, these facial pads. If you are an OG blog reader, then you'll know that like must be about 2 years ago, I was using the Nip and Fab, what are they called, like glycolic acid pads, and I did really enjoy using them, but I didn't really connect with them, you know. I didn't really connect with them. But Elemis have dynamic resurfacing face pads that I've actually had my eye on. They've been on my wish list since, I want to say 2016, but maybe not that far back. Maybe 2017, 2018, I've had my eye on these face pads. So I'm going to get those pads, try them out alongside this cream and see how they work together. They also have a night cream, but that is £99. And listen, I know I spent £87 on skincare, but £99, I'm not that mad. Not yet. Call me in a year, we'll see how mad I am in a year. But anyway, yeah, so guys, this was my Elemis unboxing. I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments if you've shopped at Elemis before, if you want to try Elemis, or if there's anything amongst this group of stuff that I've got that you're most excited about trying. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, y'all. Please subscribe. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Oh, don't forget to check out my blog byalixxo.com. I'm going to have a blog post on all of this stuff so you can see everything up close. Don't forget to check out my Instagram account, DAP_byalixxo. And in the meantime, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.